Assalamu alaikum, this is Rashid and today I will brief you about table of content, that how you can insert a table of content, how you can maintain the table of content, and how you can play with the table of content. So these are the main and core objectives on which we will focus in during upcoming some minutes. So just follow me. Firstly, I will come on that sheet where I want to select the table of content. Firstly, I will tell you that how you can remove that table of content. Come in references, table of content. From here you can remove the table of content, right? And if you want to insert, there are 3 table of contents and these are with different formats. So you can insert table of content for which you think that this is more suitable, right? That looks more attractive. You can select as per your requirement, as per your mind. From here you can make custom table of content. From here you can remove, and this is office.com, that you can go online and search more attractive and more beautiful table of content from office.com. So from here I will insert a simple table of content. Then currently there is nothing. If I update that table of content, that means there is nothing in the table of content. Then I will go to my data. This is my main heading and I will select that heading. Then go to home. From here I will select heading 1 and control P. Okay, so that's mean this is my heading 1, and for example this is the subheading of video provides. So that's mean I will assign to it heading 2. That's mean this is the subheading of heading 1 and it will be under the video provides in the table of content. Okay, this is my main heading, heading 1, and control B. This is as well my main heading, control B. Then I will come to my table of content, update table. So now you can see that video provides is the heading 1, professional is the subheading of video provides, themes and style is the heading 1, new button is the heading 1. Okay, if I want to this is video provide, I will just press control from my keyboard and then take my cursor on video provides, and when I click on it, it will take me directly to the to video provides. So for example, there is a very huge and there is a very big document, and I want to read that document. There is a thesis, you can say there is a thesis, and thesis consists on a number of pages, and if I want to if I want to read something, then I will go to the table of content, press control and go with the cursor on that to whom I want to read. I just click and it will take me directly to that place. So this is the way by which you can operate, and you can update and you can insert the table, and you can play with the formatting. Like if I click on it and I can control B, right? I can table of shit, I was out of the table of content, right? I can increase the size, table of content. Oh god, system is hanged. Control B. From here I can okay, yes, from here I can give any border if I want to give the border. So this is the way by which you can operate and you can play with the table of content. So this is all for this tutorial, and inshallah see you in next one. Thank you very much. Thank you.